Hello kids! This is Captain AHS. Stepping into Windows is like opening a magic door to a digital world. With just a click, you can explore pictures, games, and tools on your computer. Let's take our first steps and learn how Windows helps us do amazing things.
There's a magical window in my room! That's not magic, Mina. That's Windows, the operating system on a computer. It helps us open programs, play games, and do our schoolwork. So it's like a magic door? Exactly. Just like how a door helps you enter a room, Windows helps you enter a computer's world. Can I step in? Not literally. But let me show you how it works. The first thing we see is the desktop. It's like a big table where we keep our important stuff, like shortcuts to games, folders, and apps. Oh! Can I click something? Click the Start button. It's like opening the door to all the computer's rooms. Wow! So many things inside. It really is a magic door. Welcome to Windows, Mina. Haseeb. I found this treasure chest, but I can't open it.
Well, just like this chest needs a key, a computer also needs a way to open programs. That's where Windows File Explorer comes in. File Explorer helps us find pictures, videos, and schoolwork stored inside the computer.
File Explorer? Like a pirate searching for treasure?
These are like treasure maps leading to different places.
What's that one?
This is where all saved pictures go. And look, this folder has a tiny arrow. That means there are more treasures inside.
So every folder is like a treasure chest, and File Explorer helps us open them?
Now let's find the key to your real treasure chest.
Auntie Sadie, my mom asked me to find a cookie recipe, but I don't know where to look.
Finding things on a computer is just like finding a recipe in a book. Let's use Windows Search. See this box? Just type cookies, and Windows will find all the recipes on the computer.
Wow! It found them all so fast. Windows Search is like a super detective. It helps us find anything, documents, pictures, or even apps.
Windows makes life simpler.
It's time for the quiz. What is Windows in a computer? Option A. A game that you play on the computer. Option B. A program that helps you use the computer. Option C. A real glass window. Option B. A program that helps you use the computer. What is the first thing you see when you turn on a Windows computer? Option A. The internet browser. Option B. The desktop. Option C. A video game. Option B. The desktop. What does File Explorer help you do? Option A. Find and open files on the computer. Option B. Cook food in the kitchen. Option C. Change the computer's wallpaper. Option A, find and open files on the computer. What happens when you click the Start button? Option A, a menu appears with apps and programs. Option B, the computer turns off. Option C, the screen goes dark. A menu appears with apps and programs. What does the search bar in Windows help you do? Option A, draw pictures on the computer. Option B, find files, apps, and documents quickly. Option C, just the CPU. Option B, find files, apps, and documents quickly. Next time, we'll step into the world of Windows, where clicking, dragging, and resizing make everything easy. Get ready to explore working with Windows and become a computer pro. See you soon! Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.